Yes, now here multiplication of a two-digit number by a single-digit number. So here without regrouping and with regrouping. So these all are in regrouping. So these all are under without regrouping. So first, this is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place, this is tens place. This is ones place and tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Now, already we know that first we have to multiply this single digit with ones place. 2 2s are 4. That 4 we have to write exactly in ones place. And after that we have to multiply 2 with a tens place. Tens place value. That is 2 2s are 4. That we have to write in tens place. The answer is 44. The next, here in ones place, first we have to multiply a single digit with ones place. That is 6 ones are 6. The answer we have to write in ones place. And after that, this single digit with tens place value. That is 6 ones are 6. The answer is 66. In the same way, here the single digit is multiplied with ones place value. That is 2 3s are 6. Again, this single digit is multiplied with tens place value. That is 2 2s are 4, 46. Next, here the single digit is multiplied with ones place 4 2s are 8. Again, this single digit is multiplied with tens place value. That is 4 ones are 4. Here ones place is multiplied with single digit. Means single digit is multiplied with ones place 4 ones are 4. Again, this multiply with tens place value. 4 2s are 8. 84 is our product. Next, single digit number 1 is multiplied with ones place value. 1 ones are 1. And again, this single digit, that is 1, is multiplied with tens place value. That is 1 5s are 5. Our product is 51. In this all these 6 questions, there is no regrouping. All these are without regrouping sums. So whenever without regrouping, 2-digit numbers were given with a single digit number multiplication. So this is the procedure to do. So here 6 questions I showed you. More 3 questions were there. That 3 questions you have to do as your home assignment. Now, the 6th bit, multiplication with regrouping. So these are regrouping numbers. This is ones place, this is tens place. Here this is ones place, this is tens place. Here also this is ones place, here tens place. Here ones place, tens place. Ones place, tens place. Now, the same procedure, the single digit is multiplied with ones place value. 5 2s are 10. 10 means this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 0 is in ones place. We have to keep this 0 in ones place, and this 10 we have to keep in tens place, like this. Then after that, 5 is multiplied with 3. 5 3s are 15. 15 tens were there, 15 tens, and already 1 10 is there. So we have to add that 1 10 also. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. That is 16. We have to take complete. That is 160. Now, the question B. Here, 3 is multiplied. This single digit is multiplied with ones place. 3 5s are 15. So 5 ones and 1 tens. This 5 is in ones place, this 10 is in tens place, we have to keep. 5 is in ones place. 10. How many tens are there? 110. Tens are in tens place. Then after that 3, this single digit number is multiplied with tens place. Tens place value, that is 3 2s are 6 and already 110 is there. 6 plus 1 7. 75. What is the product? 75 is the product. Now here 3 is multiplied with ones place value, that is 4. The single digit is multiplied with ones place. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. Then 2 is in ones place and this one is in tens place. And after that 3 is multiplied with tens place value. Tens place value. What is in tens place? 2. 3 2s are 6. Already 110 is there. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 7. 72. 72. Now here 5 is multiplied with ones place value. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. In ones place we have to take 5. In tens place we have to take 2. Again, so this 5 is multiplied, this single digit number is multiplied with tens place value, that is 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22. 225. This is the product. So in regrouping, so we have to do like this. Without regrouping, no need to take any, carry any, borrow any, nothing. So directly we have to multiply, we have to write our answer. But regrouping, we have to check in what number is there in ones place and what number is there in tens place. According to that, we have to take tens place value and ones place value. Again, we have to multiply with tens place value. Whatever previous 10 values are, that we have to add and write final answer, that is final product. Let's now here solve the following problems. What problems are given? First we have to read the question first, then after that we have to understand the problem first. So first read your question, then second understand the question, next third steps, next solution, procedure how to do, then solution. These things there in what problem. So then first read the question. Satish found 7 parrots on each of 3 branches. First, how many parrots were there? 7 parrots. 7 parrots there, and each of 3 branches. On every branch 7 parrots were there. On first branch 7 parrots were there. In second branch 7 parrots were there, and third branch 7 parrots were there. In all the 3 branches 7 parrots he found. Then total how many parrots did he find in all? So first, how many parrots there on each branch? 7. Then how many branches were there? 3 branches. So we have to multiply 7 with 3. Number of parrots on each branch multiply with total branches. Total how many branches? 3 branches. 3 7s are 21. This is ones place. This is tens place. 21. So 1 in ones place. 2 is in tens place. This is 21. Total parrots. How many total parrots were there? Total. How many parrots he found? 21 parrots he found. So total 21 parrots he found. Next, second question. There were 14 sunflowers. How many sunflowers? 14 sunflowers were there, and with 4 bees on each. How many bees were there on each? On 14 sunflowers. So on each and every flower 3 bees were there. So then how many bees were there in all? First of all, how many sunflowers? 14 sunflowers. 14. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. Then how many bees are there on each flower? 3 bees were there. So we have to multiply here 2 digit with single digit. With a single digit. Then first we have to multiply 3 with 4. 3 4s are 12. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. So here in ones place we have to write 2. and in tens place we have to take 1. Then after that 3 ones are 3. 3 and also one more 10 is there. 3 plus 1 4. 4 tens. 42. Total how many bees were there? Total bees 42. Total bees 42 on 14 flowers. On total 14 flowers 42 bees were there. Okay. Now here brain booster. In this brain booster, first write the repeated addition of multiplication facts. Already all these facts we did. Again recapitulation. So how? 2 into 2 into here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 is there. How many 2's were there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is there. That means 5 into 2. The answer will get 10. Here 10 into 10. How many times? 2 times. 2 times 10. 2 times 10, that is 2 into 10. The answer is 20. The answer is 20. Now here 5 plus 5 plus 5. How many times? 3 times 5. That is 3 into 5. 3 5s are 15. How many times? Number of times that we have to take here, and what is the number that we have to take, the second, and after that we have to multiply and find the product. So this is, and the second question is there in this, and brain booster. Second question is, so we have to multiply on number line. So that we showed in our workbook sums as well as in our textbook sums. So more 3-4 questions were there. So on the number lines multiplication. So do the multiplication on number line. That question you have to do by your own. Okay. Now third question. Fill in the missing numbers. These are the multiplication facts. Multiplication facts we have to do here. 9 3s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 3 9s are 27. This is first fact of multiplication order, changing order. So we have to see here in 9 into in which where we will get 27. That number we have to take. 9 3s are 27. In that way 3 9s are 4. When we will get product 0? If we multiply with 0, the product will get 0. This also we did previous. Then 2 7s are 7 2s are 14. 2 7s are and 7 2s are both are equal to 14. And 8 in 4 table, when you will get 32, 4 8s are 32. 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. In this way we have to do. In this way we have to do. Fourth bit, find the product. Then how to find the product here? 2 7s are 14. 14 means this is ones, this is tens. In ones plus 4, in tens plus 1. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, 4. In the same way 4 4s are first. 4 4s are 16. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. In ones plus 6, in tens plus 1. And after that 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. 96 is the product. Here 5 1s are 5 with 1 first. 5 1s are 5 and 5 with 7. 5 7s are 35. 355. This is the product. Here the fifth question, identify the terms used. Here multiplication factor, all this. Then multiplicand, what is the multiplicand and what is the multiplier and what is the product in this. The first one, this is called multiplicand 6. The second one is called multiplier, and this is the product. The answer is our product. In the same way, this is first one is multiplicand and this second one is multiplier, and this answer is the product. In the same way, 8 is the multiplicand, 3 is the multiplier, and 24 is the product. So in this way, multiplicand, multiplier, product, multiplicand, multiplier, product, multiplicand, multiplier, and product. And these two, multiplicand and multiplier, are also called factors. factors. Remember this. Read and multiply. So here some word problems are given. Total 6 word problems are here. In that 6 word problems, so 3 word problems I am going to show you. So remaining 3 word problems that you have to do as your home assignment. Okay. Now here, Ruchika went to the park. She saw 2 butterflies. On each 5 plants. 5 plants. How many butterflies? 2 butterflies. 2 butterflies on 5. Total how many plants? 5 plants. Then how many butterflies did she see? Total 2 butterflies on 5 plants. 2 butterflies on each plant. 2 is on one plant, another plant 2, another plant 2, another plant 2, another plant 2. On total 5 plants, 2 butterflies are there. So 2 butterflies on 5 plants. Total how many butterflies are there? This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 2 5s are 10. 10 means 0 here and 1 here. 1 is in tens place and 0 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. 1 is in tens place. Total butterflies, total how many butterflies she saw? Total 10 butterflies. Total 10 butterflies she saw. Okay. So total how many butterflies on each flower? 2 butterflies. Total plants 5 plants. Then number of butterflies 5 2s are 10. So these are number of butterflies. Total number of butterflies. Now here this is in ones place, this is in tens place. Now first read the question. A box contains 2 sharpeners. How many sharpeners? 2 sharpeners. 2 sharpeners. Okay. How many sharpeners will be there in 3 such boxes? How many boxes were there? 3 boxes were there. On each box, 2 sharpeners were there. On first box, 2 sharpeners. On second box, 2 sharpener. And third box, 2 sharpeners. Total how many sharpeners were there? First we have to take 2 sharpeners and number of boxes. Number of boxes. 3 to the 6 sharpeners. Total sharpeners. Six sharpeners. Total 6 sharpeners. Now, the third question, each child is given to 2 chocolates. 2 chocolates. How many chocolates will be given to 35 children? 35 children. This is ones place, this is tens place. First you have to take 2-digit number first. 35 children. 35 total how many children were there? 35 children. For 35 children, for each child they gave 2 chocolates. 2 chocolate. Total how many chocolates they gave? Total how many chocolates they gave? Then first 2 with 5 ones place. 2 5s are 10. This is in ones place. This is in tens place. This is ones place. This is in tens place. In ones place we have to take 0. In tens place we have to take 1. And after that 2 is multiplied with tens place. 2 3s are 6. Already 1 10 is there. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1 that we have to add. 6 plus 1 7. 70 chocolates. How many chocolates they gave? Total chocolates. Is equal to 70 chocolates. 70 chocolates they gave. So if each child he got 2 chocolates, then total 35 children they got 70 chocolates. It means they gave 70 chocolates to all 35 students.